Welcome na naman mga kanumero. Kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, please like and subscribe para mas marami pa tayong matulungan sa pag-aaral ng math. So, ang topic natin sa video na ito ay solving equations, which is the continuation of our previous topic. Lalagay ko na lang sa description below kung hindi nyo pa napapanood. This time, we are using another type of equation, which is the multi-step equations. Let's go on with our first example. So, we have here 6 x minus 10 equals 3 x plus 12. So, kung papansinin natin mga kanumero, yung both side ng equation natin, in this case, ay may variable na x. What we need to do here is pagsasamahin natin yung variable into one place. In this case, sa left side natin lahat ilalagay si x. But before that, let's perform first distributive property para mailabas natin yung mga variable natin. So, 6 times x is 6x. 6 times negative 10 is negative 60 equals dito naman sa right side, 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 12 is 36. So, since nailabas na natin yung x, we can now transpose yung 3x from the right side to the left side of the equation. Take note mga kanumero that when we are transposing terms, ay kailangan din natin i-change yung sign ng particular na term na yon. So, let's transpose positive 3x to the left side of the equation. So, magiging minus 3x na siya. And as for the negative 60 naman, ay magiging positive 60 na siya. So, let's simplify. 6x minus 3x is 3x. Then, 36 plus 60 is 96. So, we have here 3x equals 96. So, let's divide it by 3 so we can isolate yung x natin. But remember again na kailangan natin mag-divide on both sides. So, your 3 here will be cancelled out. Then, x will be equal to 32. So, ganun lang mga kanumero. Now, let's move on to our second example. So, I have here 2x plus 1 minus 3 equals 5. So, again mga kanumero, let's do some distributive property. So, 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 1 is 2 minus 3 equals 5. So, kung papansinin natin, itong left side, pwede na natin i-combine yung constant natin. So, 2x positive 2 minus 3 is negative 1 equals 5. Then, transpose natin si negative 1 na magiging positive 1 na. So, we will have 2x equals 5 plus 1. Then, simplify ulit natin. We will have here 2x equals 6. So, we can then now isolate yung x natin by dividing by 2 on both sides of equation. So, your 2 here will be cancelled out. That will give you x equals 3. So, ganun lang mga kanumero. Sana may natututunan kayo sa video na to. Let's now proceed with our third example, which is 2x plus 4 minus 5x equals negative 16. So, in this case, we will also do some distributive property. So, 2 times x is equal to 2x. 2 times 4 is equal to 8 minus 5x equals negative 16. So, next, kung papansinin natin, we can combine 2x and minus 5x immediately. So, 2x minus 5x is negative 3x. Then, let's transpose positive 8 to the left side, which will give us negative 16 minus 8. So, to simplify, we will have negative 3x. Then, let's combine negative 16 minus 8, which is negative 24. So, we now have negative 3x equals negative 24. So, next step natin mga kanumero is to isolate our variable x by dividing it by minus 3 on both sides of the equation. So, your minus 3 here will be cancelled out, only leaving your x and negative 24 divided by 3 is positive 8. Therefore, your x here is equal to 8. So, next and last example natin, mga kanumero, we have here 4x plus 2, x plus 8 equals 52. So, again mga kanumero, let's have the distributive property dito sa part na 2x plus 8. So, let's copy 4x, then 2 times x is x, then 2 times 8 is plus 16 equals 52. So, now, we can add 4x plus 2x which will give us 6x. Then, transpose natin si plus 16 sa other side. So, we'll have 6x equals 52 minus 16. So, let's simplify further. This will be 6x equals 36. Now, we can already isolate our x by dividing 6 on both sides of the equation. Your 6 here will be cancelled out and your x will be equal to 6. So, ganun lang mga kanumero. So, thank you mga kanumero sa panonood. Sana may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. Please like and subscribe para sa mga susunod pa na math videos.